Hi, everyone. Welcome to Creation Tech. Good. I will create someone and a half lines based on the Line Segment tool and the Shape Builder tool. Today, I will show you how to do a very simple process. Rotate and reflected common thing, but very important. Adjust all. Select Shape Builder tool. Draw carefully. Finally, select the Shape Builder tool and delete everything unnecessary. Great importance should be given. Use Gradient tool for color. We can make any design very beautiful with Illustrator. It's good.